So you have probably heard me discuss or preach at you in several other videos about the importance of coverage, which is uninsured or underinsured motorist coverage. However, what we've not talked about that's equally as important is the two different types of coverage, and those are add-on or reduced by. And it's very important that, yes, you have but you check to see what type of coverage you have. And you want what we call add-on coverage on your policy. You need to make sure to check today. And let's talk about the differences. So add-on gives you additional coverage above and beyond what the liability carrier limits are. For example, if you have a liability carrier and at-fault parties insurance has 25,000 policy limits on the case, and you have an add-on policy of 25, then you would stack those coverages and have a total recovery of $50,000 potentially, again, depending on your injuries. However, if you have reduced by coverage, then your recovery, the amount that you could receive from your policy, is reduced by the amount that you receive from the liability carrier. So for example, if the liability carrier pays $25,000, their policy limits for a particular case, and your coverage is $25,000 reduced by, then that coverage is reduced by the amount that you've received from liability. Means 25 reduced by 25 equals nothing that you'd receive from your policy. It doesn't stack like it does on add-on. So your total recovery would be $25,000 instead of a $50,000 recovery. Very important that you check this today.